Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back to my channel and to hashtag 100 Days of Halloween 2023. So sorry I didn't make a video last night, but him happened to drive farther for work has just kind of messed our schedule up, but he's off tomorrow, so hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to for sure make a video. And so yeah, the movie that I picked, the last video I did was Clown Motel No Vacancies, right?
Yep. Clown Motel Vacancies.
Yeah, no, Clown Motel Vacancies, and I know this makes me twisted, but I kind of liked it. Like, there was some disappointments in it, but it wasn't all bad, so I'll give it like half a thumbs up. Like, somebody said, hey, you want to watch it with me? I'd watch it with them, but I probably won't pick it out to watch myself again. But, to each their own. What did you think, babe?
I liked it. It was a proper horror movie. It has a weird premise, but it's actually kind of entertaining.
And the end of it, I liked the way it ended that kept you wondering. Like,
Yeah, me too.
sometimes I hate it when they just cut it completely, but it wasn't bad. And then last night, I watched The Mist on Freebie. So if you want to watch it, it's on Freebie. And that was excellent. Another Stephen King, excellent. I don't usually cry during horror movies, and I cried at the end of this one. So it's 2 thumbs up. I will watch it again. I watched it by myself, and I was kind of freaked out because I was like watching the window, like, big bug gonna hit the window. But I enjoyed it immensely. And LJ has watched it before, but he didn't watch it with me last night. So
Loved it, though.
oh, that's a good movie. Very good movie. Okay, so I made some pumpkins. I made a green one. I used my own, what do you call them? Little vine thingy. But I made my own. But they use a braid. You can do, you don't have to make a pattern exactly how somebody makes it. But this is Red Heart Ombre in Sour Apple. I love it. And then this one, it feels like a red heart, but I don't know what color it is because the band was off of it. So I also, the way I made my stems, that's what they're called. You can kind of use them, you can make them into stacking pumpkins. And so I think I want to make one that's a little bit bigger than this one. And if I do, I'll show it to y'all. So there's what I made. Been working on lots of stuff because I have a vendor event on the 7th if I make it. Now we're going to pick a movie. And tonight's movie is... I can't read that one. I don't want to spend all day reading. I can't read my own writing sometimes. The Collector on Tubi. I don't think I've ever... Have we seen that one?
I don't think it sounds familiar.
I don't know if I've seen it or not, but Collector on Tubi is the movie for tonight. So let's watch it and discuss it tomorrow about how you felt about it. I know quite a few people did not watch Clown Motel Vacancies, and that was okay. But I wasn't disappointed that I watched it. Like, it's just one that I can say I watched it kind of thing. And so stay spooky. I hope y'all are doing great. I'm excited because in a week LJ's going on vacation and we're going to have a whole week of just spending time together. And I love that when I get to spend time with him. So anyway, stay spooky and I love y'all. Mwah.